Alright guys, here we go. Sorry about the noise. I'm on top of a can or something like that. I don't know. Good Lord. Just popped that out right there. Now this will hold. This has been all cleared off. There's part of the actual foundations right here. Somebody's coming here with a bobcat, cleaned her up, set up the nativity scene. We're going to go ahead and see if this is something good or not. Kind of looks like it was a heart. It's probably going to be good. Pin. Yep, that's what it is. Just a little clasp. I don't know if this is. Oh, diamond. We got bling. Some old bling too. I don't know the best way to go about the rest of that. I'm pretty sure it's fairly old, but not super old. But I don't want to trash it at the same time. I wish I had my little box from detecting clay, but I left it in the truck. How cool was that? Might all be there, I don't even know. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I keep saying that, don't I? Like I say, we're in some garbage, but I figured I'd take it slow today, and that's what we done. It's taking 45 minutes to get up this hill on the truck. Shoot, there we go. All right, you can see what I got here. I ain't found this target yet, but just popped this one out right here. I got a little teeny speck of something. Looks like some kind of little clasp or something. Could be off a cooler. I don't know, I just figured I'd dig it because it was a decent target. Moved over here a little way. Had a nice screamer. So I'm going to dig that. But you can see all the stuff that's been. I don't know if anybody's been on metal detector here for years because of all this stuff. But there's some of the stuff up there. There's a tree trunk that was in here. Crazy, huh? Right on top of the river. Used to be sailboats and everything. Bulkhead on the other side. We're going to hit that at some point in the water. Low tide. I see a pile of bricks over on the other side, but we'll get to that. Alright, so the 90, 89 is popped out. I see a piece of it right in here. It's like a penny. That's how we figured it is. It's probably modern too. Man, a lot of people used to hang out here. It'd be a great place to have a little picnic. It's just a nice little view here. You know, it's dirty. I'd have these vines cut down. Man. This here little target here was ringing really high. Doesn't look like much at this point, but a penny. Let's go over that again. That's weird. That was like hitting on us. Oh, now it's dropped back down. Okay. So that's going to be a penny then. I'm sure it's just a junker, but who knows? I don't know if we found any Indians out here yet. I don't think we have today either. Nope. There's a memorial. Dang it. Just dug us a round ball. I should definitely hit something. This could have been dug out of a soldier. For real. I mean, the hospital is right over here. How cool would that have been? Because that definitely got into something. I wonder if that's an expelled bullet. There, red. Oh, see it? A little darker color to it in there. Just wonder. That would be very interesting, wouldn't it? Yes. Alright. Alright. Just put a little artifact right next to where the bullet come from. Here. Pretty sure it's going to be green and something weird. Probably have some of these broke like that. I don't know. Got a hole, at least one hole in it. Did. There it goes. Huh. Who knows, right? Alright, little 50 something. Might be another little round ball here. Didn't look like it'd been chewed on or smacked into anything, but who knows? Good day, folks. Here we are again at the site. Got that coin weight, the 4-penny coin weight right here by this tree. I popped up through the woods here today, and man, it's a chunk. I don't know if that's a weight or not, but it could be. I don't know. This is about as far as we've got with it so far. What do you think? Isn't that weird? I mean, it's hit. Look at that. So, is that what they call it? An apothecary? Has to be. So something. This had to be a place of trade right here. There's the next one, that bad boy. Isn't that crazy? Wow. I did a quick little short because that's neat, you know. Finding this kind of stuff here. This was supposed to be a slave house right here. You know, there's a nest on it. That's just cool. The previous owner here was a historian. I'm going to give him a shout here in a moment. He's right across the road. Just to see what he thinks. Alright. Still on the Techno program. Just hit an 83. This is terrible back in here. This was so much iron. A lot of falsing going on. But if you could get a non-ferrous target, you could lock onto it easy enough. But man, what a struggle. 83 here. I just knocked this big old thing out of the ground. That makes up for all that daggone. That was terrible. Axes, axe heads, long pieces of iron. I don't even know, skinny thin iron. So I got me a dandy button, a really super thin one. Which, you know, these are one of my absolute favorites. That and the little teeny one. I'll try to clean it up. Maybe there's something there, but I'm pretty used to getting old slick tops. And I think that might be a slick top. Alright, we got us a hard to find 83 here. Here it is. It was really tough. Hoping I didn't bend it up. Looks like some kind of neat little, maybe a name tag or something. Nope, it's a key. Key thingy. Don't want all that in my little box. Let's just give it a straightening right there. And right in the hole. I wonder if the rest is in there. That'd be interesting, wouldn't it? So yeah, I did get a piece of it right there. So I must have been the one that bent her. That's pretty typical. Need to work on my archaeology skills. Man, here we are. I was digging a piece of trash. I thought, look, popped out. Nice looking button. See, of course, I got a piece of it right there, but it would be nice to have something on it. Got so few with imprints on. Have to get out of the shade. I don't think there's nothing on there, but we'll clean it a little bit shinier. I don't know if there's anything wrong with actually cleaning these brass buttons back to normal. I've done one or two that were pretty and they look better, so I don't know. If you know whether or not we're supposed to clean these or not, just shoot that in the comments. If not, I'll probably clean a few of them here, so. Nice. Alright, button time. I'm heading out of here. It's just taking forever, so. Ground's come alive here in the last few minutes. Let's see what we got. Oh, that's a rivet. I love the rivet. Fat one. Real thick. Yeah. Where is it? No, that might be a pull. A little pull knob or something. Like that. In the pocket, and we're continuing to try to get home.